All right, welcome to the Maker Lab Kids, how to make a compressed air rocket video. For this, normally we use packing tape, but we are going to use colored tape, so it's very easy to see what to do. To start with, we're going to take one piece of tape that is roughly the length of the rocket, and we are going to cover it and go all the way at this edge and all the way to this edge. If we're a little long, that's okay. You can just fold it over. If we're a little short by about an inch or so on either end, that's okay. It'll get covered by more tape later. The next thing we do is we take a second piece of tape. This one needs to be longer than the first piece by about 4 or 5 inches, longer than our piece of paper. And we're going to cover the bottom, over the top, all on one side with about a 1/2 inch of overlap. If you have more, this edge of the tape might not come around, and that could be a problem. If you have less, it might come apart. So about a 1/2 inch overlap is what we're aiming for. Then we're going to flip our rocket over. We're going to roll it up to the top. We're going to keep on rolling all the way over the tape. The tighter we roll it, the higher, the faster, the farther our rocket will go. We're going to push the tube right to the edge of our paper and then tuck it back in just to the very edge. We're going to pull this edge to the back of the rocket, pull it to the back, and we're going to make sure we've got roughly a 45-degree angle fold, and we're going to crease that together just like that. After we've got those creases in, we're going to pull the rest of the paper to the back, rest of the tape to the back. Before we stick these sides on, we want to crimp these little ears on both sides, roughly again, about a 45-degree angle, and then we want to stick it down. That'll help hold the pressure in nice and good up at the top side. Moving on to the back, we want to put our fins on the back of the rocket, but before we do that, let's take the tube out so we don't accidentally tape the fins to the tube. Okay, then we're going to take another piece of tape. This piece of tape should be about 4 inches or so long. We're going to line it up with the bottom edge of one of our fin pieces, and the center of our tape should go on one edge of the fin, not the center of the fin, one edge of the fin. We're going to put this on the bottom end of the rocket. That's the open end of the rocket. We're going to line up this edge right where we want it, and we're going to take the fin to the rocket on one side only. That's the short side. We're going to use the long side piece of the tape that had the center of the fin on it, and we're going to fold it back over now. If we've got to adjust the cant, we can do that, or we can point it straight up and down. And we're going to fold it back over and first tape it to the fin, and then the rest of the way around the rocket. And you can just keep on going. Then we're going to do that 2 more times for the other fins. Works a little better with the packing tape, which doesn't tear in the middle on you. About 3 or 4 inches. Align it to the middle of the fin, bottom of the tape. I like to hold the fin down with my fingers, push it to the bottom, center on the short side, put the extra tape right up the other side of the fin, fold it back over, fold it around, tape it on, and for the final fin, same thing. Short side, long side. Push both fins down, tape the short side of the fin right in the middle, up the next fin, fold it back over, onto the fin, smash it all down. Then we're going to trim. We want to trim all of the paper up here off, and we want to attach right to the top of the fin where the tape meets the rocket. Just like that. And you can rip that last little bit. And then the last thing to do is we need to add weight to the front of the rocket. Rockets like to fly heavy end first. We added a bunch of weight. So make sure you pull some tape out first before you get started, because you don't want to crush the front with tensioning the tape. And then we're just going to wrap it around. And I like about 5 or 6 wraps to ensure that the rocket knows where the heavy end is. And that rocket